So, good morning, and happy July. I think it's like the 6th now. We made it past the 4th of July weekend. Gets so busy around here. This video is going to be a little bit different than my camping videos. It is going to show what I've been doing for the past beginning of the spring and into the summer. Haven't done any camping except for that in my backyard, but I'll give you a brief video, pictures, stuff like that, what's been going on. Got the garage being put in, so there's a lot of construction in this video. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask and comment and do that old 9-yard thingamajigger. Subscribe, thumbs up, blah blah blah. Okay, see you guys. Enjoy the video. Happy Wednesday. So we are starting the construction on actually the entranceway, and we're tapping in to the sewer and the water. We're putting in new water lines for the back of the garage. So yeah, stay tuned. So that's the first thing. One good thing is that I get to keep my other entrance, which is great because now I can do the whole horseshoe thing. Do have to dig up a little bit of the back driveway, which is no biggie because the water line is going to go from the curb all the way back there. So I got to dig that up, which it's not going to be much at all, which is fantastic because I thought I was going to have to dig literally 10 foot of my driveway up, and that's not the case, which is fantastic. Septic, the green is going all the way back into the corner so I can have a toilet, sink, and a shower in the back garage. So when I do eventually lose the little house and put in my real house in about a couple of years, we'll see how that goes. And yeah. So anyway, I cannot do any kind of foundation building yet. I can put the plumbing in. I can tap in to new things. I talked to the electrical company. We're going to go from that pole right over to the corner. I burned so many brain cells, I don't even know where I can start here. Talking to so many people, trying to remember how to do all this stuff. So yeah, we do have to rezone it, and there's a board meeting that I got to go to, so I'm going to be missing the Overland Expo this year. Again, 4.5 years. I'm kind of upset about that, but life goes on. At least we can start getting the plumbing, the foundation poured, getting everything in. Yes, you'll have heated floors, which what we do for the past 200 years. We didn't have heated floors. Anyway, so long story short, Well, guys, we are at round 2 of digging up this street. Had to pull in a larger excavator. Had to dig up more of the street to get to it. Water table's so high. All right, guys. Well, we got water. We got sewer. We got a clean out valve. We destroyed my driveway, but it's not bad because it's going to settle, so I'm not too worried about it. Next thing of it is that I got to do a lot of cleanup. A lot of cleanup. I've got another company coming in for the right-of-way for the driveway, and there we have it. They're going to finish off the sidewalk. We got rock coming in, and then this is the right-of-way that they're going to be coming in, and then we have another company coming in to do the asphalt. So yeah, my neighbors absolutely love me at this point because I made one hell of a mess. Ouch. Now all we got to do is the water on the other side, and we're going to take copper from the valve all the way back, bend it in, all the way back to him. So, yep. That is one lot of backfill to fill in. Hopefully I can clean my driveway up to where it looks halfway decent. Dumping straw, putting bird seed down, pretty much. No, it's grass seed. Bird seed. Anyway, we got one patch done, and I got another 6 yards coming in for the front pool area. The grass has been planted and the topsoil's been done. Now we got to throw the mesh netting on to keep the straw down. You know, a lot of people will probably say, oh my gosh, Russell, it's straw. You know, I clean up the straw after the grass starts to grow. So that's life. And yeah, okay. Whoosah. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Be safe out there. Remember, it's hot, so hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Yeah, you want to see what I'm doing for the 4th of July? That's what I'm doing for the 4th of July. 6 yards of compacting sand for my garage.